Well, can y'all see anything? It's dark out there. The word is, man, we go home. Today is Wednesday. We're going home. We unloaded out there in Murfreesboro. A lot of loads. I got the Landstar system all set up and running full speed now. We got load board up and running, and we're getting load alerts, and we got the fuel card going so we can start getting paid. And so yeah, glorious, man. There's a lot of good loads on the board today. I could have parked back here at the Love's at 84 and found a load tomorrow. I wanted to stay around the house for some reason. Well, not just for some reason. My grandson's 5th birthday is Sunday. Birthday party. I think it's Sunday. Anyway, I don't know. And well, they were loads going to Vegas, California, Landstar loads that I could run easy, you know, and paying good money. So but anyway, we still got some back office paperwork to do. We got to get that drug history thing from Landstar. We've been very unsuccessful with that. It goes through a company called 10th Street. And we've been going back and forth. They'll email you with a PIN number, and you got 48 hours. The first 2 times it didn't work. They emailed me 2 days ago, but I was busy. Couldn't do it. So anyway, we got to fight with that. And I really don't care if we get it or not. You know, they just want to be ignorant. Let them be ignorant. I don't care. I made attempts. I got proof I made attempts. That's enough to satisfy the DOT technically. So we're good. We're in a drug consortium now, so we're okay. I got proof. I've been driving for 15 years. So I've been in a drug program somewhere, so we're okay. Just technical garbage, you know. I mean, push comes to shove, like if I don't think it's an issue. I think as long as we made effort is what I heard through OIDA. As long as we put forth the effort to get it, which we did. And I got to do those state websites. I don't think federal websites. I think you just got to log in and check your stuff. That's all they want. It ain't nothing. It's kind of like doing an annual report for your stinking LLC. You know, you just got to log in. And so yeah, we're still in business. You know, and then you mail them a check for $300. That's idiotic bureaucracy. You know. So anyway, so yeah, I got to do that, and I was thinking there's something else. Anyway, carrier packets, you know. So yeah, quite a bit to handle, and how many times I say "and this guy kicked me over there on you know, sometimes it's bloody rates, bloody rain, bloody weather. Sometimes it's bloody. One day it's you know, whatever, right? Okay, bye. Oh yeah, and I've not been very successful on the DAT board because I'm limited to who I can haul for. I've not been successful with negotiating rates with C.H. Robinson, even though I can pull their loads. But you start negotiating and they ask you for your T number, which is your identification. They tell who you are. Once they get that, the conversation stops. So there's some local loads out of my house up here, little short haul stuff. So I emailed C.H. Robinson, contacted Chattanooga, that Makes Sense trucking guy contacted me and gave me that broker's name, a C.H. Robinson broker that's local. So I'm gonna make him my C.H. Robinson go-to guy. So I emailed him the reference number for the C.H. Robinson load, because I think there's 3 of those a day out of the house. little short haul runs. So I may do one of those on Thursday and one on Friday, and just kind of knock out that a little bit, and get my foot in the door, you know, and try to build up a reputation. And once, so just you gotta crawl before you can walk, and walk before you can run. And we are crawling. So anyway, but we didn't do too bad. We left the house on Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and we did 5250, and we sit in Atlanta Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So, you know, not bad, right? Not a bad week's haul. So we'll come back out on Tuesday swinging. We'll hit it hard. Will we go all the way to California, or what do we do? We're gonna bust it for 2 or 3 weeks and try to get built up. And Monday we'll be 30 days old, so we'll be eligible for more brokers. So we're starting to have more carrier packs. So anyway, there's that. There is the latest update for Gorley Trucking, rocking and rolling. It's in the slow lane. We're going home. See ya.